Thank you so much, Ahmed, for watching my videos. As I also watched your videos, you will marry me. That video, remember whose thumbnail was that?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I told you. I told before. If you want to get like the attention of your audience, you have to pull in the crowds and put something like different from other videos. So tell me about your journey of teaching the mathematics in English language. Am I right?
Mathematics and English, yeah, cause every subject is like every subject depends on English. If we talk about EVS, environmental science, if we talk about social studies, if we talk about science,
Yeah,
everything depends on English. So as my schooling is from an English medium school only,
yeah,
like so I'm comfortable enough with English. Yes, I do face some challenges, but for that
yeah,
but for that I have joined Cambly because I required someone with whom I can converse a lot. Like the area which like I'm residing in, that is good enough. But yes, of course, as I told you, like few of the things about my past, so I need to like improve myself, cause that time that was a little struggle in my life. So like I have to manage my job and my studies together, then accordingly. So as I believe in, learning never stops, so I'm still learning and teaching.
yeah. It's learning the language. It's not for months or for a year. I heard many people who they have struggled to learn not just English, any language for years. Maybe you will be fluent for 3 or 4 years. Maybe you will be perfect this period of time. Uh, and I can tell Cambly it's very good platform to improve your English because
Right.
they were very good. There are very good
Native
tutors there.
speakers.
Yeah,
Right.
native speakers, and they are like how can I say like some of
And
them they are specialists of business and marketing.
business
Yeah,
marketing. Yeah.
and some of them they are specialists to give you a preparation exam for IELTS or T or TOEFL,
Right.
and some of them they are specialists uh, to give you the ways of teaching English for maybe the kids or maybe the adults,
Mhm.
and they are very very useful.
And what I believe in, like you can opt tutor accordingly. Like if you want to, like if I like say about someone, like if we talk a lot we will be comfortable, but when we will talk to the new person, that time we need to be more comfortable. So Camly is giving us that facility, like you can opt any tutor anytime, right? According to your package, you can
Yeah,
opt any of the tutor anytime. They are not bounding us with one tutor only. If we want to change the tutor, we can. So this is the plus point. I love to do chit chat on Cambly. Like we can opt any of the tutor. This is the positive thing. Become more comfortable with many persons.
yeah, and they have a variety of tutors there. Like you can find your favorite American accent. You can
Hmm.
find the British accent, which
Hmm.
is very good to improve your listening, and
Hmm.
ask them about your English, about your progress, about your
Hmm.
accent. Um, I through my journey, I met like hundreds of tutors. Uh, for me, I like the American accent because I found it very easy to understand, very easy to communicate with them, because the Hollywood movies and the Hollywood music affect us, not just like the British movies. Uh, Maybe this is my perspective. I like to speak in American accent. And
Hmm.
what about you?
Yeah, I too like to speak with American peoples because their accent is very fine. And
Mm.
like what we are found of that accent only, like especially if I talk about myself, like my accent is little bit English, like sorry, a little bit an Indian language. So what I believe in like I need to talk USA people more so that I can be more comfortable with them. So I like the USA accent, American
Uh-huh.
accent, you can say.
Yeah, yeah. So what is the way that you follow to like improve your accent or your American accent?
I used to converse with the tutors more. I used to read out the books. I used to see the videos on YouTube of many people's, like you can say Patty Shukla, Jack Hartzman. I used to see the video of like these are those people are for pre-primary age group. But then also I told you like learning never stops. So what I believe in, you should work on your foundation first, then you'll be able to
Yeah,
grow up properly, then you will be able to form a nice building, that nice structure. So
yeah,
I believe
exactly.
foundation.
Actually,
So
I heard some of people. When they come to want to learn English, they focus on the first stage on the accent, and they are beginners, and actually it's not working for them because every time I'm telling them like you have to improve your English speaking, and then you have to improve your vocabulary, your grammar rules, and then you'll you have to and then you will have to work on accent like it's not super important for your speaking English. What do you think of this?
accent like comes its own when you do regular practice, and speaking requires confidence. So what I believe in, like it depends on LSRW. For a good speaker you should be a good listener.
Yeah,
If you like if I talk about my childhood, no one told me to write the spelling of mama and speak it mama, right? So
yeah,
it depends on LSRW. If your listening is good, then you can be a good speaker. If your speaking is good, then you can be a good reader. Then LSR depends on your writing. If your listening, speaking, reading is good, then your writing will be perfect. Writing skills.
yeah. That's very good for me and for other students who want to learn English. Every time I am telling my student or my friends to surround yourself with English. Like if you want to improve your English, think in English. Imagine everything in English. Speak with your friend, with your husband, with your wife, with your sister. Uh, if you like stay on your in your office, name the things like desk, like pen, laptop, chair,
Mhm, mhm,
everything.
mhm,
If you've been in the bedroom, you will
mhm.
also name the things, and you will increase your bang of vocabulary.
Vocabulary.
Uh, yeah, and actually, this is what I did before. Uh, I have a beautiful coincidence. I was 2 years ago. I was teaching my daughter Arabic language,
Mhm,
and I sadly I distracted. Like my daughter asked me at that time, you are not acting, not did anything. I told her I translate your material in Arabic into English, and she said, "Oh, Dad, this is
mhm.
Arabic. This is now we are reading Arabic, not English." So I surround myself with the English language. That's the
Right.
point. That's the point. And by speaking with everyone, like every day, we will improve a lot.
Improve a lot. And there is one question in my mind: how you
Yeah.
wish, how you greet in Arabic? If like if somebody comes to you, how you greet in Arabic?
Assalamu alaikum.
All right. And the one who is replying, they'll say Walaikum Assalam, right?
Oh, yes, that's
Yes.
very nice.
Yeah, some of my
I thought like you know, because I have many Indian friends. They know a little bit about Arabic language.
yeah, I know a little bit about the language cause two, three of my friends are Muslim. But
Yeah.
yes, yeah, I was just confirming like it's all same like India or
Uh-huh.
something different. Like we used to say namaste.
In India,
Yes, we used to say namaste.
namusti.
Namaste, yes.
No, what does that mean? Like hello?
Yeah, you are like giving a regard to a person,
Uh, uh,
especially to uncles, aunties who are of like who are elder than us. We used to say namaste.
mhm. Yeah, that
So
and you have to make like this movement.
yes, it's just we are giving them regard. And corona like COVID also says don't shake your hands.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
Now the people are
that's very useful movement for
this
not
is
taking
also useful,
coronavirus.
and this is also useful. You're not like giving, you are not giving and touching like
Yeah.
that. You are like, what to say, you are far away from that virus.
Yeah, yeah, I can understand you. So you have after this session, you have another session with the kids.
Yes, I have another session with my kids around 2, like 5 minutes past 2. So
Yes. So we have like 5 minutes. So let
yeah.
me ask you another question because I'm curious about teaching the way of teaching the kids.
Mhm, mhm.
Do you teach all the subjects, not just math?
uh,
You teach them like English?
yes, if I talk about pre-primary age group, I teach
Yeah.
them reading, like CVC words. You can say consonant, vowel, consonant, sound words. There is
Mm.
a proper curriculum for that. Yes, for pre-primary age group, I used to teach them maths, English, Hindi, and moral values, which are very important these days. I teach them about environmental science, like good habits, like
Uh-huh.
yeah, unhealthy food, junk food, like junk food, healthy food. These kind of concepts I used to teach them. And if I talk about the grade 1 children, grade 1 to 5, I teach them mathematics and English grammar.
Okay, so are you teach in a private for by yourself for your own business, or you work for a school or a company?
Previously, I was working for a school. As I told you, I was in DPS. Like
Yeah.
7, 8 months back, I left my job and I delivered a baby boy. And
Okay.
and after taking a month rest, I started with my with this online platform journey. Yes, but I was experienced with offline sessions. Previously, I was taking offline sessions with kids. Like you can say private tuition sessions
So
along with school. Along with school. Mm-hmm.
along with the school nowadays, you work along with the school.
No, nowadays I left my school.
Okay.
I'm just doing my like this online classes, online
Uh-huh.
sessions. Nowadays
So
I'm working
how can
for
how
myself only. I'm my own boss.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I can understand you. So, how can you get like these kids? Are you like advertising yourself, or do you have any page or
Yes,
something?
I have a Facebook page too, and I used
Yes.
to put my things on my WhatsApp status. People who know me, they contact me, and
Okay.
yes, of course, like my background is very nice. They reviewed me very well, so I get opportunity to receive the tuitions from other sources too.
Mm-hmm. So,
Like
do you,
I
your only from Dubai, or you have another country's kids?
I have Indian the students from other country too, like. Dubai, I told you,
Okay.
Singapore, and like USA. All of them are learning maths from me.
Uh-huh. Wow, that's very interesting and very interesting things that you handle all these kids. Oh, and I like the movement that you follow, especially when you're rolling with your kids
Oh, yeah.
and you slow down and you stop and wow, this is so hard and I believe that you struggle to learn all this stuff.
Yeah, sure. And thank you so much, Ahmed, for watching my videos. As I also watched your videos, you will marry me. That video, remember whose thumbnail was that?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I told you. I told before. If you want to get like the attention of your audience, you have to pull in the
Yeah.
crowds and put something like different from other videos.
And generally, the people who give comment to me, I used to visit their channel. Some of them have channel and some of them don't have. They are just our subscribers, right?
Yeah,
So I just randomly clicked on your comment that night. I guess 4 days back or 5 days
yeah,
back. I
yeah.
just saw your comment and I visited your. My God, he is a YouTuber and he's so famous. So I just pinged you on your Insta and like really it is a nice session with you. People are like people you are so good, you are so kind. People
Thank
are
you so
less
much.
people like you are less these days and I wish everyone should be like you. You're so good. I mean, you're so helping, you are so kind. The words are less for you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate what you said. Thank you so much. And you too, you deserve more and more support because you help the people, and your methods are new, and maybe uh, many subscribers of mine they will admire of your channel, and I believe they have kids and they want to be a subscribers for your channel. So
Oh,
thank you so much for
thank
be a guest for on my channel.
oh thanks to you for this collaboration and we wish like I wish in future we will do the more.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, if we have like a free time, we will make another session and we will talk about different topics.
Right, right. This was the general conversation we had today. So, like, we'll catch you soon and thank you so much. Bye
Welcome. The
bye.
same here. Bye bye.
Bye. And yes, one more thing I want to say.
Yeah.
You're so smart. You're handsome.
Thank you so much. You too.
All right. Bye.
Bye bye.